Godot vs Giga Scratch. Which is better for beginners explores how choosing the right game engine can transform your learning experience without frustration. Godot offers advanced features, while Giga Scratch focuses on simplicity and accessibility. Godot and Giga Scratch are popular game development platforms for beginners. Godot provides a full-featured engine with scripting and 3D support, while Giga Scratch is a simplified visual programming environment inspired by Scratch. The core difference lies in complexity versus ease of use. Godot is an open-source game engine known for its versatility and power. It supports 2D and 3D game development with a dedicated scripting language called GDScript, which is similar to Python. Godot's scene system allows users to organize game elements efficiently, making it great for learning structured game design. It includes a rich set of tools like animation, physics, and a visual editor that works across platforms. Strengths include its flexibility, active community, and no licensing fees. However, Godot has a steeper learning curve compared to block-based engines, requiring some coding knowledge. Beginners who want to build more complex games or transition into professional development will find Godot ideal. It encourages learning programming fundamentals and offers scalability from simple projects to advanced games. Giga Scratch is a beginner-friendly game creation platform inspired by the Scratch programming environment. It uses block-based coding, allowing users to drag and drop commands to build game logic visually. This approach eliminates the need for syntax memorization, making it accessible to younger users or those new to coding. Giga Scratch simplifies game development with an intuitive interface and pre-made assets, focusing on creativity and quick prototyping. Its strengths lie in ease of use, immediate feedback, and a gentle introduction to programming concepts. However, Giga Scratch is limited in scope, mainly supporting 2D projects and lacking advanced features like 3D rendering or complex physics. It's best suited for beginners who want to grasp programming basics or create simple interactive games without coding overhead. Users looking for a stepping stone into game development will benefit most from Giga Scratch. Godot and Giga Scratch serve different beginner needs. Godot offers a comprehensive toolkit ideal for users ready to learn coding and develop scalable projects with 2D and 3D capabilities. It fits those aiming for deeper understanding and future growth in game development. In contrast, Giga Scratch prioritizes simplicity and fast results with its visual programming blocks, perfect for absolute beginners or younger audiences exploring basic logic and game design. While Godot requires more time to master, it provides greater creative freedom and professional potential. Giga Scratch's limitations in features and complexity make it less suitable for ambitious projects, but excellent for learning foundational concepts without code. Choosing between them depends on whether you want an easy start or a robust engine that grows with your skills. Choose Godot if you want a powerful, scalable engine that teaches you coding and supports complex 2D and 3D game development from the start. Giga Scratch is perfect for beginners who prefer a visual, code-free introduction to game creation. It builds confidence and foundational skills quickly. Both platforms have strong communities, so pick the one that matches your learning style and game development.